application here on a piece of natural stone tile. It's got some glitter in it. It's a really cool tile. It was actually hand cut out of the quarry, or a special order out of the quarry for us. Yesterday at 5 o'clock, I sealed one of these sides. I just sealed half of it, so you can't see the sealer. But I'll let you decide tomorrow which side I sealed. I went to the gas station this morning and I bought some cranberry juice. So we're gonna pour it on here and let it sit, and then tomorrow we're gonna do another video that shows which, and I'll let you decide which side is sealed. You should be able to tell the difference. It should be pretty drastic. This could get messy. If you're a tile guy, you already know which side is sealed. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit. We sealed it last night at 5 o'clock, and right now it's 2:30. So it's been sealed for a couple hours now, and we're gonna let it sit for about an hour. We're gonna wipe it off, and then tomorrow we'll do a little video with the results of this. So we're just having fun at the home show. Enjoy the video. Yesterday we said we did a sample here, and we used this sealer on this natural stone tile, and I went and bought this a cranberry juice, and we sealed half of this stone, and then we poured that on and left it on there for an hour, and then wiped it off. And so we are trying to show the difference between unsealed and sealed. So if you can see the shade variation here, that's actually a stain on there. So that's a tile from yesterday, and I drew a line here so you could see what was sealed and what was not. And then today yesterday as well, we sealed one of these tiles, and I didn't know which one it was. We swapped them. And then today I poured just some water on here, made a puddle here and here. And then I also went and poured cranberry juice on it. And so this is a very quick and simple little tip. If you have a natural stone tile and it's sealed, you should be able to pour water on it and it stays beaded up like that. These two were about the same size, but as you see, this goes further out. That means there's no sealer here and the water's not holding to itself. But if it's holding to itself like that, it means your tile is sealed. You can see there's a ring here. That water is absorbing into the tile is absorbing the water. This one doesn't have that, neither does this one. So you leave that on for quite a while. By tomorrow morning, that'll all probably be soaked into the tile. This one will still be sitting there. So we're at the Elkhart Home Show. We're just having fun, doing some demos, some fun stuff. So hopefully you came out, saw us. Yeah, come back, see us next year.